North Central Brazoria County
What
in
the fuck?
southeastern Texas, South Central Harris County in southeastern Texas until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over northeastern Maryland, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Western Pasadena, Maryland, Friendswood, South Houston, Northern Mangle, Greater Hobby Area, South Belt Ellington, Western Clear Lake, Brookside Village, Goldcrest, or Belfort Reveille, Ashbrook Area, South Park, Mintex, South Acres, or Crestmont Park, Sunnyside, Hobby Airport, Ellington Field, and Meadowbrook, or Allendale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. This is your NOAA weather radio station, KGG68, Houston, Texas. This is your NOAA weather radio station, KGG68.
Your city.
What happened?
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Galveston County in southeastern Texas, north central Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, south central Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over northeastern Maryland, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Western Pasadena, Maryland, Friendswood, South Houston, Northern Mangle, Greater Hobby Area, South Belt Ellington, Western Clear Lake, Brookside Village, Goldcrest, or Belfort Reveille, Ashbrook Area, South Park, Mintex, South Acres, or Crestmont Park, Sunnyside, Hobby Airport, Ellington
from
Field,
NPR's
Meadowbrook, or Allendale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.